Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ik Onkar Coding. In today's session, I will discuss journal coding problem, and the title of the problem is first unique character in a string, and the problem statement is given a string, find the first known repeating character in it and return its index. If it doesn't exist, then return -1. So the sample input is, suppose the given string s have the value Leetcode. Now in this string, L is repeated one time, E is repeated 3 times. It means E have 3 frequency and T has 1 frequency. C also have 1 frequency. O and D also have 1 frequency because they repeated only once. But the first unique character is L and the index of L is 0. That's why in the output we have to return 0. In a similar way, the sample input 2 is, suppose in a string we have given that love Leetcode. Now L is repeated 2 times, so L has a frequency 2. O is repeated 2 times, it means O also has a frequency 2. V repeated 1 time, E repeated 4 times, T repeated 1 time, C repeated 1 time, O repeated, O is 2 time, D repeated 1 time. Okay. Now after calculating the frequency, we have to display the index of a character that have frequency 1, that repeated only single time. So we have to find out the first unique character in a string. So first unique character is V, so we have to return the index of V. Okay, and index of V is 2, so that's why in the output 2 will return. So first we discuss the method how to solve this problem. Okay, and after this we discuss the code for solving this problem. Suppose the string given to us is A, B, B, C, D. Suppose this is our string. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the frequency of each character. So now for finding the frequency, what I do, I create an array of size 26. Okay, why 26? Because in the problem statement it is mentioned that we have to input the string in lowercase letters, means all the letters of a string are lowercase, and in English alphabet we have 26 lowercase characters. So that's why I take an array of size 26. Okay, 0 to 25. Okay, I 6 index, 7 index, 8 index, up to so on. Now in this array and initially at the starting time I initialize this array with value 0, so all values are 0 at the starting time, because at the starting time frequency of each character is 0 and up to so on. Okay, now now what I do, first I create the length of the string. Okay, so I write here n is equal to s dot length function. I call this function. Okay, so in this way we calculate the length of the string in n variable. So I start from 0, goes until n minus 1. Okay, I traverse this string from 0 index. First A will come. Now I store the frequency of A at index 0. After this I store the frequency of B at index 1. I store the frequency of C at index 2. I store the frequency of D at index 3 and up to so on for all 26 characters. Okay, now the thing is how to store. Now for storing this, what I do, first I traverse this string. Okay, suppose I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, I implement this loop. Okay, I write here char ch is equal to s of I. Okay, I has the value 0, so at ch variable, in ch variable what value will go? A will go. Okay, now for storing the frequency, what I do, I store the frequency in this array. So I write a or array of ch minus a is incremented. Okay, now why I do this thing ch minus a? Okay, because all of you know, for every character a sky code will work at the background. So small a have the sky code 97, small b have the sky code 98, small c have a sky code 99, and small d have a sky code 100, and up to so on. Small z have the sky code 122. So what I do, so if a will come, if in this character a will come, so a minus a have the sky code 97, 97 minus 97, what is the value? 0. So at 0 index, what we updated? We apply increment operator. So 0 is updated with the 1. After this, b will come. After this, I is updated. I becomes 1. So now I become 1. So now this character will replace by b, because the second character here at 1 index is b. Okay. So b minus a here now b is updated. B minus a means b have the sky code 98 minus 97, it become 1. So at 1 index we update the frequency of b, because we apply plus plus operator at that index. After this again b will come, because at second index again b will come. So at when I become 2, here again b will come. Now again at 98 minus 97 is 1. So at 1 index we apply plus plus operator. So this one is updated with value 2. After this c will come. So when I is updated 3, because c has a index 3 and d has index 4. Okay, so when c will come, so what is the sky code of c? C have the sky code 99 minus, when c will come here, 99 minus 97, index is 2. So at 2 index we apply plus plus operator. So in this way we store the frequency of every character by traversing the string from left to right. And after this again we implement this string, and then we implement this for loop. Again we traverse this array, and then we traverse the string character by character. If the now in this case a have the frequency 1, so we display the index of a, that is 0. So that's why 0 is the output for this. So now we discuss the code. Okay. So what I do, we have to complete this function. Okay, so fast unique char is a function. Okay, we have to complete this function, and string s is given to us as an input. Okay, so first I create an array of size 26. Okay, I initialize this array with value 0. After this, using the s.length function, we calculate the length of the string. Okay, and represent the length of the string. Then I implement the for loop. Okay, now I implement this for loop for traversing the string. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. We traverse this string character by character. That's why I write here char ch is equal to s of I. And here, using this statement, array of ch minus a character plus plus, using this statement, frequency is updated for every character in this array. Okay, and after this we again traverse the string. Again we implement the same for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here again we traverse the string. So why I write this statement? I write this statement chars a is equal to s of I because we want to traverse this string character by character. I is equal to 0, it means at 0 index whatever is the character, that character goes to the ch variable. Suppose first character is L, first character is A, so A will come here. Now array of A minus A mean add 0 index. If 1 at 0 index, if there is 1, if the frequency of A is 1, then 1 equal to 1 condition true, and it return I means index. I is not the index of this array. I is the value of the for loop iteration. Okay, so we return the value of I. Okay, and if this value is not matched, if in a character, if the string is A B B, now A has a value 2, B also has a frequency 2. In this case, what will return? In this case, this condition value is false. So in that case, -1 will return. Okay. If your string is, suppose your string is Leetcode, then here at first time L will come here, at 0 index L will come here. So at 0 index L will, so we calculate, we fetch the, now L minus A becomes here 11. Okay, so we fetch the frequency at 11th index. If at 11th index 1 will come, then this condition value is true and it will return the value of I. So what is the value of I return? So in this case it returns 0 because the first character have 1 frequency. Okay, I hope all of you clear about this. Thanks for watching my video. If anyone have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment box, and if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.